Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta. Today I've got a very short video for you in honour of Remembrance Day. This is a poppy canvas that I got from GBFKE and I have time-lapsed the whole process for you. So please do enjoy this time-lapse and take a moment to remember those who have fought for our freedoms. And I would now like to share with you the poem In Flanders Fields by McCrae. In Flanders fields the poppies blow, between the crosses row on row, that mark our place, and in the sky the larks still bravely singing fly, scarce heard amid the guns below. We are the dead, short days ago, we lived, felt dawn, saw sunset glow, loved and were loved, and now we lie in Flanders fields. Take up our quarrel with the foe, to you from failing hands we throw the torch, be yours to hold it high. If ye break faith with us who die, we shall not sleep, though poppies grow in Flanders field. According to poetryfoundation.org, McCrae's well-known poem In Flanders Field memorialises the April 1915 battle in Belgium. For 17 days, McCrae tended those injured in the battle, and the poem was written after the death of a close friend. It was first published in Punch magazine and led to the adoption of the poppy as the flower of remembrance for the British and Commonwealth war dead. McCrae wrote several medical textbooks during his life, and his poetry was posthumously gathered into the collection In Flanders Field and Other Poems in 1919. You can find more detailed information about John McCrae and other war poets by visiting www.poetryfoundation.org. Thank you so much for joining me today as I completed this canvas. I'm really pleased with how it turned out, and it was just a wonderful way for me to spend some time thinking about the past, those that have gone before, and celebrating them. As always, where possible, I will place links for this canvas down below, and you can check out GBFKE's website for more information. Thanks to everybody that supports this channel. I will see you in the next video, and until then, stay crafty!